Good morning, students. In today's lecture, we'll see K-map simplification. This is the method for solving the Boolean expression, or you can say that this technique is used to reduce the given Boolean expression. In previous lectures, we have seen how to do Boolean expression simplification, or how to solve the Boolean expression by applying a Boolean algebra laws. That is, we have seen a different laws, that is AND law, OR law. Then we have seen a De Morgan's theorem, how to apply De Morgan's theorem. Then we have seen how to apply a duality theorem or distributive law. So with the help of all these Boolean algebra laws, we have seen how to solve the Boolean expression, or how to reduce a given Boolean expression. So K-map is another technique to reduce a given Boolean expression. K-map means K stands for Karnoff map. Now what do you mean by K-map or Karnoff map? In yesterday's lecture, we have seen how to design a two variable, 3 variable and 4 variable SOP and POS form tables. In that, we have seen how to take a complement and uncomplement form for a SOP and POS. In SOP, we have used a logic that we have taken the 0 as a complement and 1 as a uncomplement term. In POS form, we have taken 1 as a complement form and 0 as a uncomplement form. By applying this logic, we have designed 2 variable, 3 variable, 4 variable SOP and POS form. Now we'll put this SOP, or we can say that minimum term, in the form of K-map presentation. So there are some rules for plotting the K-map. We'll see. First, we'll see how to plot the 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K-map. So for 2 variable K-map, now we are plotting this K-map for SOP functions. So for SOP function, we are taking complement for 0 and uncomplement term for 1. So this is the logic we have applied in SOP functions. Now we'll plot a 2 variable K-map. We already made a 2 variable SOP table. We'll refer that table while plotting this 2 variable K-map. Now how to plot a 2 variable K-map? 2 raised to 2 means 4. So 2 variable K-map contains 4 houses, or you can say that 4 blocks. So these blocks are like this. It is having 2 rows, 2 columns. Here we'll plot A variable, here we'll plot B variable. Here I'll put 0, here put 1, here also 0, here also 1. Now A for column, B for row. Here I have plotted 0, here I have plotted 1, here also I have plotted 0, here 1. So this column represents this row and this column. So it represents 0, 0, right? So 0, 0 means A bar, B bar, because we are taking complement for 0. That means this house represents this column and this row. So for this column, I'll write A bar, B bar. Both are 0, and for 0, we are writing a complement term because we are plotting for SOP function. So 0, 0 means A bar, B bar. Now 0, 1 means A bar, B. 1, 0 means A, B bar, and 1, 1 means A, B. Right. So now this is the method of plotting 2 variable SOP form K-map. Now instead of this a bar b bar, we'll write a mean term, max term. So a bar b bar is your m0. Refer the table which we have designed yesterday, this one. So these terms now we have plotted in our K-map. Now instead of this term, we'll plot mean terms, right? So this is m0, this is m1, this is m2, and this is m3. How I have taken this side A, this side B. Here I have written 0, here I have written 1, here I have written 0, here 1. Now 0 means A bar, 1 means A, here 0 means B bar, and this 1 means B, right? So according to that, I have written A bar B bar, A bar B, A B bar, and A B. Now A bar B bar means M0 mean term, A bar B means M1, A B bar means M2, and A B means M3. So this is called as a plotting of two variable K-map. Now these houses or these blocks contains a number 0, 1, 2, 3 that will remain fixed. So two variable K-map is having four houses or four blocks which is having number 0, 1, 2, 3, and it will remain fixed while solving two variable K-map, right? So this is called as a plotting two variable K-map. Now we'll see how to plot a three variable K-map. Now 3 variable K-map means 2 raised to 3 is equals to 8. So it will contains 8 blocks. Now how to draw 3 variable K-map? Like this. So this contains 8 houses, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means 8. Now here you have to write A variable, here you have to write B variable. For this side 0, for this side 1, for 0 A bar, for 1 it will be A. Now here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1 and 1, 0, like this. So for 0, 0, A bar, B bar, here you have to write B and C variable because it is 3 variable K-map. So it will give you B bar, C bar, B bar, C, B into C and B, C bar. Now for this column, the row contents are A bar and column contents are B bar and C bar. So this house will represent a term A bar, B bar, C bar. This house will contain A bar, B bar, C. This will contain A bar, B into C. This will contain A bar, B, C bar. This will contain A, B bar, C bar. This will contain A, B bar, C. This is A, B, C, and this is A, B, C bar, like this. What I have done? I have taken a row element and column element and written a SOP expression for corresponding blocks, right? Now by referring 3 variable SOP table, we'll write mean terms instead of this SOP forms. So it will like 000 means M0, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे 1 है, यहाँ पे 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, right? So 000 means M0, 0, 0, 1 means M1, 0, 1, 1 means M3, 0 1 0 means M2, 1 0 0 means M4, 1 0 1 means M5, triple 1 means M7, and 1 1 0 means M6, right? So this is the house or block numbers we have got after plotting 3 variable K map. Now while drawing a 3 variable K map, the house numbers or block numbers are fixed. That is, we have designed 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. So these block numbers are fixed. Whenever you draw 3 variable K map or 2 variable K map, these block numbers are fixed. यहाँ पे 2 वेरिएबल का किया था 0 1 2 3, यहाँ पे 3 वेरिएबल के किया है. और आफ्टर plotting this K map, we got these mean terms which are fixed. So these terms here comes after plotting. So these numbers will remain fixed whenever you plot the 3 variable or 2 variable K map. So this is called as a plotting 3 variable K map. Now we'll see how to plot a 4 variable K map. Now 4 variable K map means 2 raised to 4 is equals to 16. So it will contain 16 blocks, 4 columns, 4 rows, 4 into 4, 16. Now how to take variables? Here 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. Same here 0 0, 0 1, 1 1, 1 0. That means this side the variables are A and B, this side B and C, right? Now for this house the row contents and column contents all are 0 0. So यहाँ पे A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Now for this column 0 0 1, that means A bar, B bar, C bar, D. Then 0 0 1 1 means A bar, B bar, C, D. Then for this column 0 0 1 0, A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. For this 0 1 0 0 means A bar, B, C bar, D bar. For this one 0 1 0 1, that means A bar, B, C bar, D. For this 0 1 1 1, A bar, B, C, D. For this A bar, B, C, D bar. For this A, B, C bar, D bar. For this A, B, C bar, D. For this A, B, C, D. For this A, B, C, D bar. For this A, B bar, C bar, D bar. For this A, B bar, C bar, D. For this A, B bar, C, D. Then for this A, B bar, C, D bar. So these are the SOP terms we have written according to rows and column values. Now we'll represent this K map with mean terms. Now 0 0, all 0 means M0. Here 0 0 0 1 means M1, 0 0 1 1 means M3, 0 0 1 0 means M2, 0 1 0 0 means M4, 0 1 0 1 means M5, 0 1 1 1 means M7, 0 1 1 0 means M6, 1 1 0 0 means M12. 1101 means M13. 1111 means M15. 1110 means M14. 1000 means M8. 1001 means M9. 1011 means M11 and 1010 means M10. Now the block numbers for 4 variable K-map are fixed like this: 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11 and 10. So whenever you will draw 4 variable K-map, the block numbers are fixed now. So you have to plot this 4 variable K-map with this column numbers only. Don't change the order of this column numbers because we have designed it. So you have to plot the K-map with this house or block numbers only, right? So you can check that 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. So these are the block numbers which is fixed now. This is for 2 variable, this is for 3 variable and this is for 4 variable. जैसे जैसे आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे, जैसे ज़्यादा सम सॉल्व करोगे तो ये हाउस नंबर ब्लॉक नंबर आपको अपने आप रिमेंबर हो जाएंगे. सो ये ऐसे ही प्लॉट करने हैं, इसका ऑर्डर चेंज नहीं करना है. 0, 1, 2, 3 लिखा ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, ऐसे ही लिखना है 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 12. ये हमने अपने मन से नहीं लिखा है, यहाँ पे डिज़ाइन किया है और डिज़ाइन आने के बाद फिर प्लॉट किया है मेन टर्म और उसके बाद ये नंबर्स को हाउस को पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक को असाइन हुआ है. सो यू हैव टू write these numbers as it is. Don't change the orders of these numbers, right? Now this is a designing of K-map. Now what is the purpose of designing this K-map? We are going to solve the Boolean expression using this technique. So this K-map will help us to reduce the given Boolean expression. That means the given expression is too long, and with the help of this K-map you will got a reduced form of Boolean equation, right? So reduced form of Boolean equation means जैसे मैंने बोला था आपको कि Boolean expression हमने Boolean algebra laws अप्लाई करके जैसे सॉल्व किया था, उसका पर्पज़ क्या था कि जब हम उसका रिडक्शन करेंगे तो जो फाइनल आउटपुट आता है वो रिड्यूस फॉर्म में आता है. तो इट विल हेल्प अस टू रिड्यूस द अननेसेसरी वायरिंग ऑन डिजिटल सर्किट्स और डिजिटल बोर्ड्स. सो ये जो टेक्निक हम यूज़ करते हैं इसके ऊपर से हमको रिड्यूस फॉर्म मिल जाता है. सो आउटपुट में हम क्या कर सकते हैं, वायरिंग जो है वो रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं डिजिटल टेक्निक्स के, क्योंकि ये जो सर्किट्स है ये सब हमारे कंप्यूटर में है. जो डिजिटल सर्किट्स है वो आईसीज़ है, आईसीज़ के फॉर्म में अवेलेबल है. तो उसको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ईजी बनाया गया है, उसमें वायरिंग कम लगता है. इसीलिए डिजिटल जो डिवाइसेस होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं, कॉम्पैक्ट होते हैं, उसमें कम वायरिंग होते हैं और वो इजी टू हैंडल होते हैं, क्योंकि इसमें सारे वो टेक्निक्स अप्लाई करके क्या होता है, मिनिमम यूज़ ऑफ इनपुट एंड आउटपुट, राइट, यूज़ करते हैं हम. तो ये सारे टेक्निक उसके लिए है. सो अभी K-map प्लॉट हमने किया है, अभी उसमें ग्रुपिंग कैसे करना है. तो ऑलवेज वी हैव टू थिंक अबाउट द नंबर ऑफ वंस. अभी आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर दिया गया है, देखिए वो स्लाइड में दिखाया गया है कि ग्रुप्स में नॉट इंक्लूड एनी सेल कंटेनिंग अ ज़ीरो. तो जब हम K-map प्लॉट करते हैं, व्हेन वी प्लॉट अ K-map, ऑलवेज डू द ग्रुपिंग ऑफ वंस ओनली, डोंट कंसिडर ज़ीरो वैल्यू, राइट. सो हमको क्या करना है कि जो भी प्लॉटिंग है उसमें वन कंसिडर करना है. अभी वो वन कैसे वहाँ पे आता है, वाई हाउ वी प्लॉट दैट वन इनसाइड K-map विल सी, बट आफ्टर प्लॉटिंग अ K-map विल डू द ग्रुपिंग फॉर ओनली वंस, डू नॉट कंसिडर जीरोज, राइट. देन मेथड्स दिए गए हैं कि डायगोनल पेयर इज़ नॉट अलाउड, राइट. So pairing is shown in your slide. then we'll see how to do that pairing. Now whenever we plot the K-map, there is a way of grouping. The first way is pair. That means it is a pair of two ones, or we can say that two ones, grouping of two ones together is called as a pairing. Then chord means four ones we are plotting or we are grouping together is called as a chord. And third one is octet. Octet means 8 ones we are grouping together is called as a octet. So these are the three way of grouping: pair, chord, octet. Pair means two ones we are grouping together, chord means four ones we are grouping together, and octet means we are grouping 8 ones together, right? So this is the way of grouping. Then we'll see how to do the now the example is given in the form of like this. K-map is given to you. This is a 3 variable K-map. That means A bar A, B bar C bar, B bar C, B into C, B into C bar. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6. This house numbers we have designed. So we have plotted the 3 variable K-map with these numbers. Now the K-map is given in your question like this. Right. So this K-map is given and you have to solve the equation. Now how to solve the equation? First make the grouping of these ones. आपको क्या करना है? ग्रुपिंग करना है सबसे पहले. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? ये K-map में this K-map contains this one and this one. So you have to make the pair of these two ones. And you have to write down the equation for this one. Now how to write down the equation for this one? For this one, write A bar B C. You have to write the equation for this one. So check the contents of row and column. So this one represents A bar B C. So I'll write here A bar B C. Plus for this one I'll write A bar B C bar. So what is the procedure? After seeing this K-map, you have to make a group of ones. Then you have to write the equation of each one. And then you have to solve this equation by applying Boolean algebra. Right? Now, यहाँ पे pair किया है हमने. This is called as a pair. Then after pairing, we have written the Boolean expression. And now we will solve this Boolean expression. So in this expression, A bar B is common term. See here, in both the terms A bar B is common. So in bracket C plus C bar will remain. Now C plus C bar is equals to 1 OR law. ये हमने Boolean expression जब solve किए थे तब देखा था. C plus C bar is 1. So this bracket is replaced with 1. So answer is A bar B. So see, your answer, in your answer you got the reduced term, that is A bar B. So this is a solving K-map. This is the technique for solving K-map. First think about a pairing and then write the equation for individual one term, and after that by applying Boolean algebra laws you can solve the equation. Now we'll see the second example of pair. Now again 3 variable K-map is given. So यहाँ पे क्या किया हमने? Only we have considered only one while grouping. So consider the only ones in your K-map. Now in this K-map, here this pair is possible, right? So you have to write down the equation for this. So this one represents A bar, B bar, C, and this one is A, B bar, C. So what is a common variable from this K-map? Also you are able to decide which variable is common, because this column is common, right? So this variable is common, B bar C. So in bracket A bar, A will remain, which is replaced with 1 by applying OR law, right? So your answer is B bar C, right? Then we'll see next example. Here also 3 variable K-map is given. And the plotting is given like. So now corner pairs are available. You can plot or make a group of these corner ones. So such type of pairs are also allowed in K-map. This is called as a corner pair. So you can group the corner ones like this. Now for this one the equation is A, B bar, C, and for this one A, B, C bar. Now the common variables are A, C bar. So in bracket B bar plus B will remain. So your answer will be A, C bar. Then we'll see the next example. 4 variable K-map is given now. So 4 variable K-map means A bar, B bar, A bar B, AB, AB bar, then C bar, D bar, C bar D, CD and CD bar. 0, 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 7, 6, 12, 13, 15, 14, 8, 9, 11, 10. This is previously we have designed. Then the plotting is given like. You have to consider only ones. So this one and this one will make a pair. Such type of pairing is also possible. सिर्फ ये दूसरे के सामने होने चाहिए. So this pair is allowed. Now for this one I will write A bar, B bar, C, D. A bar, B bar, C, D. And for this one I'll write A, B bar, C, D. So यहाँ पे अभी common variable जो है that is B bar, C, D. So in bracket A bar plus A will remain. A bar plus A is replaced with 1 by applying OR law. So answer is B bar, C, D. So this is called as a solving K-map, or it is a pairing in K-map. I will see next example. Now again 4 variable K-map is given. The plotting will remain same like this, which I have drawn for previous example. The plotting is like this now. So think about only grouping of ones. सो यहाँ पे now 3 ones are there. So this pair, first is this pair and second one is this pair, right? So there are two pairs. This is pair 1 and this is pair 2, right? So you have to write the equation for this pair and this pair. So for this pair, this one represents, you can refer these elements because this and this are same, right? Now for this one will represent A bar B, C bar D, plus this will represent A bar B, C D. So for this pair we'll solve first. So in this, A bar B and D common and C bar will see in bracket, so it will replaced with 1. So first pair solution is A bar B D. Now for second, this is for pair 1. Now for second, A bar B C bar D, and for this one A B C bar D. So common variables are B C bar D in bracket A bar plus A. So this pair's solution is B C bar D. So for your final answer you have to combine this term and this term, that is A bar B D and second one is B C bar D. So again you will got B bar D in common, sorry, B and D common. So in bracket A bar plus C bar will remain. So this is the solution for your question. Now we'll see last example for pairing. So 3 variable K map is given in this example. So यहाँ पे 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So this type of plotting is given to you. Now think about the pairing of only ones. So here you can see that here one pair will happen, here second will happen. So there are two pairs, here A bar A, here B bar C bar, B bar C, B into C and B into C bar. So for this one we'll write A B C. For this one we'll write, sorry, A bar is here. For this one we'll write A bar B C bar. For this one A B bar C, and for this one A B C. Right. Now you can solve for this. Which elements are common? A bar B, so C plus C bar in bracket, and for this pair A and C common, so in bracket B bar plus B will remain. Now this is replaced with 1, this is replaced with 1, so equation is A bar B plus A C. So this is the final answer. So this is about how to make the pairs in K-map for solving the Boolean expression. Thank you.